Molecule is a combination of two or more atoms held together by a strong chemical force of attraction, that is chemical bonds. Molecule classification into two types. First one is homoatomic molecule, then another one is heteroatomic molecules. Homo means same element. Molecule is made up of similar kind of elements, okay? The next one, molecule consists of atom of different elements. Then next one, atomicity. This is very important 2-mark questions. The number of atoms present in the molecule is called as atomicity. Then oxygen exists in two allotropic forms, O2 and O3. O2 means oxygen. Then O3, ozone. The structure is same element, OO. Okay. Then homo, two atoms present here, so diatomic. Okay. So homo means same element, then two atoms present here, so diatomic molecule. Here ozone, the formula is O3, the structure is OOO. Three are same element, so homo. How many elements present here? 3 elements. Triatomic. So it is called homo triatomic molecule. Molecule contains more than 3 atoms, then it is called polyatomic molecule. The next one, heterodiatomic molecules. Example is hydrochloride acid. Okay. Then hydrogen chloride. It consists of 2 atoms. One is hydrogen, then another one is chlorine. Both are different element. So the atomicity is true. Hydrogen and chloride. So these two are different atoms. So hetero. Here 2 elements are present. So diatomic. So heterodiatomic molecules. Here 2 elements are same, OO. So you call homo. 2 elements present here, so diatomic. Here 2 elements are different, so you call hetero. 2 elements present, so diatomic molecules. The next one is water. The formula is H2O. It consists of 2 hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom. Then atomicity is 3. The structure is HOH. Here different atom present here. 2 molecule of hydrogen, then 1 molecule of oxygen. So hetero, different atom. So you call hetero. Then 3 atom present here. So triatomic. So hetero triatomic molecules. Okay. Here 3 elements are same. So you call homo. 3 elements present here, triatomic. So homo triatomic molecule. Here different element present here, so hetero triatomic molecule. The next one is relative molecular mass. The ratio between the mass of one molecule of the substance to 1/12th of an atom of C12 atom. Then calculation of RMM, that means relative molecular mass. Example, sulfuric acid. The formula is H2SO4. It consists of 2 hydrogen atom, 1 sulfur atom, then 4 oxygen atom. First you know about the masses. hydrogen mass height is equal to 1. Then mass of sulfur 32. Then mass of oxygen 16. Then relative molecular mass is equal to 2 into mass of hydrogen. 2 means 2 hydrogen atom present here. So you have to write 2 into mass of hydrogen plus 1 sulfur atom present here. So you have to write 1 into mass of sulfur plus 4 oxygen atom present here. So you have to write 4 into mass of oxygen. The next one 2 into, then mass of hydrogen value 1 plus 1 into mass of sulfur value 32 plus 4 into mass of oxygen 16. Simplify these values, then you have to get 98. That is 1 molecule of sulfuric acid is 98 times as heavy as 1 by 12th of the mass of carbon 12 atom. Next one is difference between atoms and molecules. It is the smallest particle of an element. It is the smallest particle of an element or compound. It does not exist in free state except noble gases. It exists in a free state. Highly reactive except noble gas. Less reactive. It does not have a chemical bond. Atoms in a molecule are held by chemical bonds.